You guys, the Pagani Utopia replaces the Huayra with 852 horsepower. And yes, it's a manual. Only 99 units are going to be built and sold. $2.5 million is going to be the price tag, folks. Yes. It's not every day that Pagani will unveil a new car. Now, the Zonda just continues to keep existing. Just an amazing vehicle. The Huayra has been in production since 2011, folks. The Modena-based supercar company, they've been working on new models under the code name called C10. Now, the C10 has arrived for production, and yes, it is called Pagani Utopia. And it is straight out amazing. Everybody's pushing toward electrification, but Utopia is sticking to its roots, and that's the gasoline cars. Yes, the combustion engines, which is just so amazing, the sound and everything. This particular baby uses 6.0 liter twin turbo V12 engine, built for Pagani by Mercedes-AMG. I always thought Mercedes-AMG engines are just awesome. Now, the output is rated at 852 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. And that's by the rear wheels, folks. A 7-speed transversal automatic gearbox with X-Track is also available. This is for the first time. Yes, Zonda buyers can enjoy this. There are piano pieces to be played, a symphony orchestra, the Milan Conservatory. They actually played this for the reveal, and it was amazing, folks. It actually talks about the quality and everything in this car, and as you can see, even the Mr. Pagani himself makes his appearance. And the one thing that's nice about this car is that it's connected to a person who truly loves automobiles. Now, as with Zonda, the Huayra, the Utopia, is made from carbotanium, a combination of carbon fiber and titanium. And that's to give it that strength, folks. Maximum strength, lightweight. You're talking about 2,822 pounds. That, yes, folks. That is the weight without any liquids, folks. A V12 with over 800 horsepower. Now, the performance figures are not known yet, but you can expect it to be off the charts, which is just straight amazing. The exterior, for example, for this is just awesome. The aerodynamics has been through wind tunnel testing. It's amazing, folks. This is some amazing piece of aerodynamic engineering work. Some of the details is just exquisite. Turbines inspired taillights, active suspended aero, turbine wheels, glass roof pieces, and everything looks like a work of art. Everything just looks like, it looks like you could take a picture of this and you could actually have a picture up and you can actually make it to the point where you use macro photography and just get this baby down and people would just look at it for days, just studying and just enjoying all of the angles and the utilitarian type of design. Pagani has hit it right on the nail with this baby. And it is just amazing, folks. This is some of the finest interior, as you can see, and the finest exterior. This interior blends the past and the future. They all come together in this baby, and this is what makes it amazing. What an amazing automobile. No touch screens. Everything is just back to being organic, tactility type of, everything about this is just amazing. The shifter linkage is awesome. And this is going to be your favorite part of it. It displays a gated manual box, but it also leaves the gear linkage exposed You know, I don't know if you remember the Spiker. I've seen that before, and I remember I went into a dealership here in Tampa, and they had that baby, and that baby looked phenomenal. This is what this reminds you of. I tell you, Pagani did an awesome job on this car, and it is phenomenal, and it is fantastic. Now, only 99 units are going to be sold, and so you're talking about $2.5 million a piece. Are you going to be one of the lucky ones to get this and have it in your collection? What an amazing automobile, folks. And guys, thanks for coming to this channel. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. This is just one amazing piece of kit. Fantastic.